So in the last session, we have discussed about the Python revision to 2. That will be the control flow statement in Python. That is your 9th chapter in your 11th standard book. That is the content I'm going to take. But I'm taking from the content from the 12th chapter. I already said. Okay. So whatever you studied in the 11th standard, that will be a 1 or 2 chapters will be covered in the 12th standard chapters. Okay. So for why I'm making this point, you have to show that the type of interest and learn very properly. Okay, the types of statement we have seen. For recap, I'm just doing what a statement means. A set of instruction, a instruction which is given by the user to the computer in order to perform a task. That is called statement we have seen. And we have seen 3 type of statements also. What are the statements? Can you see? Can you repeat it? What? Yeah.
Empty, simple, compound.
Empty statement, simple statement, compound statement. Empty statement. What is empty statement? Which is called as empty statement? That's for the question.
Pass.
Pass. Very nicely said. Very nicely. Empty statement. What is empty statement means? One and only empty statement in there in the Python, that is called pass. We have discussed no at last class. I mean before the exams. I hope that we have discussed. For example, nothing we want to do means we didn't give any instruction means it will not do anything means no. We have to give it. Don't do anything in this const. That we have seen. No, we have discussed many scenarios. Have you remembered it? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
That is nothing for the pass. Okay, pass is a nothing. I mean, it is an empty statement. What is the use of the statement, sir? By seeing the statement, the Python interpreter won't do anything or it do nothing. Okay, for doing nothing, we are using one statement. That statement is called as what? Pass statement. Okay, that is called as empty statement. That's what it's called as empty statement. I hope you got the point. Okay, next we have seen the simple statement. Simple statement means basic input statement. Input, you have written the exam also. The program, they are asking to get the input from the user and print the display. I mean, display the certain things to the user. That is output statement. The basic input and output statements is called as what? Simple statement. Have you understood? Hello. What is simple statement you got? No? Yeah. Now we are entering into the compound statement. Okay, let me see this slide. Empty statement. For your remember, just for reminder, I'm just showing this slide. What is the keyword means? Pass. Pass is a keyword for the empty statement. Okay. And next thing is simple statement. Any input statement. It is an input statement. Okay. And print statement. It's output statement to display a message. Okay. So can you say what will be print? The second statement, print of name is there. No, what it will print? Actually, name is what? It's a variable or it's a printable message? It's a variable or it's a printable message? What is name here? I'm keeping the cursor, no? What is that? Hello? What is the meaning?
Printable message.
Printable message. Printable message means it should be in the double quotes or single quote, no? Whether it is quoted with single or double quote? Is it?
No, sir.
Oh, no, so it is a variable. The variable is not defined here. That name and this name, whether the both the capital N and AME and small n AME, both the variables are same. Is it similar variable? I mean, it's the same
No,
variable. No, it is a very good answer because Python is what? It's a case sensitive language. That is uppercase and both the lowercase are entirely different that we have seen. Okay, let me go to the next one. Compound statement we are entering. Okay, the compound statement should have the compound statement header. These are all the parts of the compound statement or the syntax of the or specific pattern they mentioned. That is a part of the compound statement. Okay. Okay, first is compound statement header. Okay, next is what? The colon is there, no? That is very important. I'm keeping the cursor. Can you able to see the cursor? I'm just placing the cursor. That was the compound statement header we need to give. It may be a condition. Okay, we can give a condition that we have seen. Okay, then it should be followed by a, what is the thing? Colon. Okay, double dot is there, no? That is we have to call it as a colon. Okay, so we have, it should be followed by the colon. Which one? compound statement header should be followed by the colon. Okay. Then later part, next line, we have to give the 4 spaces from the line. If it is start in this place means we have to give the 4 spaces. Then we have to type the body of the compound statement. Any message we can print it. I mean, we can use here. Okay, that is the body of the compound statement. Okay, the compound statement, it may be a simple statement or another one compound statement also. Let we can keep it. That is the syntax. The 2 lines are the basic syntax of the compound statement. Let me see one example also. The compound statement has what are the things? Compound header. That's what we have mentioned. Header. The header should be ends with what? Colon. That is the first thing. And second thing, what? The body contains one or more statement. The compound statement body, we have to give 4 spaces. That is called indentation. The indentation means the spaces, 4 spaces we have to give. Okay. Are you all listening? Is it understandable what I'm teaching is?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
If not means please you ask me. Okay. So that is the thing. You just seeing the syntax only in the program, you can easily understand. But these things you have to keep in your mind. Header should be followed by what? Or ends with what? Colon. That is the first point. And second point, the body of the compound statement should be initiated after the 4 spaces. That is called indentation. Have you got it? This is the 2 points you want to keep in your mind. That is the thing for the compound statement. Okay. That first, again, we are going to see the flow of statement. That part is over. Now we are going to the flow of statement. How the statement will be flow. Flow means how it will be executed. Okay. First thing is sequence. Sequence means step by step it will execute. First statement, second statement, third statement. That is a sequence. Have you got it? The statement will be executed one by one. Have you understood? That is sequence statement. Normally we are typing so far. You typed the program even in exam, no? So the type of statements are called as sequence statement. Sequence means next. That is the next after it. That is called as sequence. Okay. Selection statement. Selection means we have to select. For example, if they are taking to your parents is taking to your textile shop, you are selecting your dress, no? Hello. Whether you are
Yes,
selecting or
sir.
parents itself decide for you.
We only selected, sir.
They only select. Very good. So how they will select? Whether you or your parents, anybody will select, no? So how they will select? How this? How they will select? Do the selection.
First size,
Hmm.
color.
That's what I'm saying. First, they will see the quality of the material. I mean, the cloth material they will see, and the color whether it is suited for us. For example, if you are selecting a dress for you, how will you select? First, we will see that the color, no, the color whether it is seems to be good or it is suited for us. Likewise, we are thinking, no, first aspect. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah. And
sir.
second thing, we are thinking about the material. The material is good quality or not. Whether it is what is the thing? It is suited for that or not. Likewise, we are thinking the quality of the material. That's cloth. We are thinking. Okay. And third, we have go for the other extra things and all. What are the features? It's not feature. Whether it is comfortable to wear. So how much it is. Likewise, we are thinking about the cost. Everything we are discussing. No, that is the third aspect. Correct, no? So what is the process are involving here? The conditions. Am I right? The conditions are there. For example, whether suppose you are going with a shop with the 2,000 rupees, or else let you take the 5,000 rupees. You are just with the amount you are going to shop. Okay, for to buy a dress for you. Okay, suppose you selected one dress. It will be superb. It will be very nice to you, but it is 6,000 rupees. Unfortunately, whether you will buy. Hello.
No, sir.
Okay, you are going to the outstation. It's not in your home. Don't say that, sir. I will say to the salesman, oh, I'm to this next to your shop home only. So I will come and buy the. Of course, we have to get the money from anybody, or else we will say some other reason. That is second part. Okay, first thing we won't buy because we are in our hand. How much amount we are having? 5,000 only. So we have to select our dress based on the cost. In the 5,000, we have n number of dresses are there. Then how we will do? We will see about the color. We will see about the quality of the cloth. Everything we are thinking, no, whether we are already having the same type of dress or it's a new a new one like this. We have many conditions, no? That is called criteria or conditions, no? So that is the basic for the selection. Have you got this example? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
how we are doing the selection, I'm saying. Okay. So like this, many methods are there, many conditions are there for selection. So let me take come to this computer concept. You can see second type of statement is selection statement. Selection statement, then how, in what basis the selection will be happen? Based on the condition. Correct? So based on the condition, the selection will be happen. That's what we have used one example in the previous class also. Suppose you are having a robot in your home. That's what we discussed, no? In the last class. I mean, last the theoretical class. Okay, that we have
Yes,
seen.
sir.
So suppose you have one robot. That you are sending one robot to a shop to buy a chocolate. You are just giving 50 rupees to your in the robot. Okay, then the robot is going to the shop and asking for a chocolate. Okay, the shopkeeper is saying that the okay, the required chocolate is not there, or required thing is not there. Okay, what we have to what the robot will act? That was the question. Same question I asked.
The
Yeah,
robot
it
will
has.
Hmm.
repeatedly ask that, sir.
Repeat. For example, we asking repeatedly. Last the shopkeeper, they said clearly, whatever you ask, the thing is not in. I mean, you asked one thing, but the thing is, the product is not in my shop. Then what it will do?
We give correct instructions, sir.
We need to give the correct instruction. What is the instruction we need to give? If the shopkeeper said this material is not available, or the product is not available, or else the product is there but it is 100 rupees, but it is 60 rupees, but we given what, 50 rupees only, no, to the robot. Correct, no? So we have to, as you said, we need to give the instruction very clearly. Okay, so based on the answer, based on the input means what it receives from the shopkeeper, it will do. Suppose it's going and asking for the 50 rupees chocolate, of course the chocolate is there means it will buy and it will come to the home. Likewise, based on the instruction also, we have to tell that instruction also. Okay, suppose the shopkeeper said it is not 50 rupee, I am just selling for 10 rupees more profit, so it is 60 rupees in my shop. Likewise, if he saying means what next action, what it want to be done, that we have to give the instruction. Correct, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, suppose the shopkeeper said, okay, that chocolate is not available in my shop, then what are the next action to be done by the robot? That also we have to give the proper instruction. So everything want to be properly instructed. That is the use of selection statement. So based on the instruction or based on the condition, the selection will be happen. Have you got it? For example, we can give the condition. Okay, go and buy a chocolate for 50 rupees. Suppose the 50 rupee chocolate is not there means then ask for 40 rupees chocolate. If the 40 rupees chocolate also not there means go for the 20 rupees chocolate. Okay, that is also not there means at least ask the 10 rupees chocolate. If that chocolate also not there means come to home. Have you got it? This much clear instruction we need to give. Am I right? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Then the
Yes,
robot
yes.
will go, it will ask for 50, it will ask for 40. If it is not there, means it will ask for 20. If it is not there, means it will go ask for 10 rupees. That also not there means it will return to the home with the empty hand. Have you got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
I think
Yes, sir.
you people are I mean, girls, I think so. You are laughing, no? About for this example. Is it so? It's not pharma. Why I'm saying this example for better understanding. Okay, like this we are about to create a program for that. Okay, that is nothing, nowhere we are not going apart from the syllabus, I mean our content, it is not. Okay, let you check it. Very good, very good. Let you see this third one, iteration statement. Automatically it will be there, automatically it will be get incremented, or see the value will be changed. Okay, these things you can keep in your mind. Whenever we are seeing with the example, that concept you can very clearly you can understand. Okay, so there are three type of statements are there. The flow of statements, I'm saying three type of flow of statements are there. Can you say what are the three type of flow of statements? What are the three types? Flow of statement or flow
Sequence,
control, I'm asking.
selection.
Sequence, selection, iteration.
Sequence,
Sequence means
selection.
Interact.
one by one. Selection means based on the condition. Iteration means automatically it will be executed. That we will see in the next part. Okay, Okay, let me go into the topic. Okay, first one is sequence selection. Okay, see, now we are going to sequence means normal program. We are getting an input based on the, we are getting the first number, we are getting the second number, we are adding the two numbers, or we are multiplying the two numbers, and we are printing. That is one by one, one by one. Next the execute will be happen. That is sequence selection, normal program. No, that is okay. Now we are entering into the selection statement. Which is the selection statement in Python, sir? If you're asking the question, means if statement. You see, if. Okay, the if statement is a selection statement in the Python programming language. Okay, many type of if statements also there. That also we have discussed. Can you recall that last session? We are actually so far we are doing the recap only. Could you able to remember that what we have discussed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are recapping because after a long days you are attending the class, computer class. That's what I'm doing it. Okay, so the if statement, it having the if is a conditional statement. If the condition is true, it will do one action. If the condition is false, it will do another action. Okay, that is the such type of statement is called as if statement. Okay, in the if statement, three type of if statements also there. Okay, of course four types are there. Okay, nested if is another part. Four type of if statements are there. If without false statement. If without false statement means if we are giving a condition. If condition true, it will execute. If condition is false, without false, no, that is with, we didn't talk about the false. Okay, so that's what it is, a second statement. Okay, that I will write a program. We will write a program. 1 minute. Okay, I will open the Python. Just a minute. Okay, I'm opening the IDLE. It will get stored. Okay, what type of prompt this is, which you are seeing in the screen? What type of prompt? Prompt means mode, I'm asking. Which mode this is? Hello?
Script mode.
Script mode. Is it script mode?
Mode.
What mode?
Sir,
Interactive mode. Okay, for script mode we have to click the file and click new file. The empty space is there. No, this is called script mode. Okay, I'm just closing. 1 minute. I will just minimizing this one. You can see this. This is the script mode. Suppose we are getting, shall we write a program uh, uh, to do a program to robot to ask the same question to the shopkeeper? Shall we write that example?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for example, the robot is there. Okay, I'm just typing it. Okay, print statement. The robot want to say that, hello, I am Chitti, like we shall we use. Okay, is this spelling is correct, or can you spell it? Is it, or SATI? What is the spelling
previous
for
answer.
which one?
CHITTI.
CHITTI. Okay, the robot. Okay, okay, yes, space. Likewise, we just give a message. It's just a display message. Okay, then it's asking the, I need chocolate. I need, I have to give the single quote or double quote, no? So that's what. Okay, I need a 50 rupees chocolate. Likewise, I'm just giving to, or else it's asking a, do you have? Okay, do you have what chocolate? Can you say any chocolate name? Oh, can you say any?
Dairy milk.
Okay. Oh, I typed here. You didn't say anybody. No one saying anything. Okay. Do you have dairy milk chocolate? Milk. Oh, typing spelling. Chocolate in your shop. Okay. It's asking the question. Okay. Just we are printing that. Okay. So now the it want to get the response. No, in order using the print statement, I'm getting the answer. equal to input of, I'm asking this. Okay, answer equal to input of. We are getting the input. I'm asking the question. What question the robot is asking? Do you have dairy milk chocolate in your home? Sorry, in your shop it is asking. Okay, the shopkeeper want to tell some answer, no? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah. For example, I'm just typing if. Okay, that's a condition. If condition. What is the condition? Answer equal to. This is the equal symbol, no? Double equal symbol. Am I right? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Double equal symbol is called as equal symbol. Answer equal to yes. Why it is yes means yes is a string, no? It's a word, no? That's what we mentioned in the single quote or double quote. It is the compound statement header. I already said I said to you just to keep it in your mind like that. How the compound statement will ends? How the compound statement will ends with?
Colon.
Very good, nicely said. Who said this answer?
Rakshana, sir.
Rakshana, very nicely said, ma. Very good. Remaining people also just be answer like that. Very good. Okay. The header, I mean the compound statement header should end with the colon. Okay, fine. If answer equal to yes means we are just printing. The Chitty is asking the question. Okay. Okay. Please give. Please give that. Okay. Likewise, I mean that. Please give that. It is asking the. I mean it's telling the message. Okay. Shall we save this program? How to save the program? Can you say that? Anybody? How to save the
F5.
F5 is the to save the program? Is it? This is the way. Oh my God, I don't know. I asked the
Sir,
question. Many time I thought this to you. How to save a program?
control plus yes.
Control yes. Control yes or go to file and just click the save button. That's all. Okay. So I'm just selecting the location, desktop. I'm just giving CHITTI PGM city program. Okay. What is the extension for Python file? Python program?
.py.
.py. Very good. Okay, I saved this. Now I am executing. I want to execute the program. What is the shortcut key to execute or to run? Run or execute, both are same.
F5.
Yes,
F5.
F5. F5. Very good. Very good. Nicely said. Okay. So now it is asking, see, hello, I am Chitty, a robot. Do you have dairy milk chocolate in your shop? It's asking. So the shopkeeper, suppose we are the shopkeeper, whether we are having yes or not. Suppose you are the shopkeeper. What's your answer?
Yes.
Okay, you are saying yes. Okay, now it is who is saying the yes? Who is saying yes?
Steve Pavitra, sir.
Pavitra. Pavitra is saying, suppose she is a shopkeeper and she is saying yes. Let you see. It's asking what? The robot is asking what? Okay, please give that or give it. Okay, I will pay the 50, whatever it may be. Okay, that is the remaining dialogues. Okay, have you got it? Have you got it? This is the
Yes, sir.
simple if statement. This is a simple if statement. I will run again. Suppose you can see this. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm closing this one. I'm just running again the same program. Okay. Now it is asking that. Again, it is introducing yourself. Suppose, can anyone say no for the chocolate? Suppose I am the shopkeeper. Okay. Suppose I am giving, it is asking the question to me, dairy milk chocolate, do you have? It's asking. I said no, I don't have it. Okay. Then nothing will come. You know, whether it is showing anything. The program is
No.
terminated, no? The program is terminated, no? Can you say why it is get terminated? Can you get the point? If no means what we are asking, what we instructed to the robot, what we programmed. I will show the program. If yes means what we have to, what it want to say. Okay, please give it to that. Give to me. Likewise, it is asking the dialogue. Am I right? If no means we didn't say the instruction, no? We didn't give the instruction, no? Correct, no? Hello. If the shopkeeper answer is equal to yes means you have to proceed this one. Suppose if he says no means whether we will give any instruction. Did we give any instruction to the robot?
No,
no, sir.
sir.
That's what is
No.
happening. Whenever I typed no, nothing will come because robot is stuck. No more instruction is given, no. So we have to. That's what I'm saying. We need to give the very crystal clear instruction to the robot. Okay. That was the thing. Okay. Please see the this program, just how to use the if statement. Okay. One more minute is there. Please rejoin it. I want all the 18 members are there. All 18 want to join in a minute. Okay. In the once the link is cut disconnected means please rejoin it. Okay. Let me see how to give that instruction to the robot. Okay. Please see this program. Just is a simple program. How to use the if condition, what is the compound statement header, how it is ends. This is the block of statement. So I given the okay, this was the thing we have discussed, no? So I hope you clearly understand how to give the this is a compound statement. The selected two lines are there, no? This is the compound statement. The first line is what? Compound header. The compound statement header should be ends with colon. Is it right? We given the colon, no? And the body of the statement, the body of the compound statement should be, we have to give what? Four spaces. I'm just typing 1, 2, 3, 4. Four spaces I have to give. See, if I reduce one space, I'm just giving one, two spaces only. If I show this, I'm running this means it will show, I can see this. Suppose I'm just typing anything, yes, I'm giving. Okay, 1 minute. So of course that it's entered, but we have to give the space properly. If you didn't give the space means it will show the error. I will just save this program and run for you. It will show the error, syntax error. Have you seen this thing? What is the thing? What is the
Yes,
error we
sir.
have received? Syntax error. That is expected an indented block. That is indented block means we have to give the indentation properly. We have to give okay. Then we have to type the four space. Now if you save, if you run this means it will run properly. Have you got it? Have you understood this one? So this is the
Yes,
body
sir.
of the compound statement block, how to type, and as well as the uh, compound statement header, how you have to type. That is the thing. Suppose okay, this was I will show the content to you. Okay, that is the first example we have seen. If without to false statement, if the condition is false means we didn't discuss. Okay, then suppose if the shopkeeper said no, then it want to say it, the robot want to do some action, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shopkeeper said yes means okay, give it please, likewise we given the message. Okay, fine. Okay, suppose the shopkeeper said no means we have to tell some other instruction, no? Shall we say that? Shall we type? So how to type means else. Else means false. Okay, else. Okay, it's a keyword. Okay, else, then colon. It's a block of statement. Then enter. After the block of statement, we have to give space, no? After a four space, I'm just
Yes,
printing.
sir.
Okay, I'm giving. It's okay. I'm just typing. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. I'm just typing. It's okay. Bye. Like this, it's telling some message to the shopkeeper. It's okay. Bye. Or else no thanks. Like this, it's saying. Or no issue, not a problem, like this. Any statement. Okay. So now I am saving this file. Okay. I'm just running that for you once again. Okay. Now if I say yes means what will happen? Shall I type yes? Hello.
Yes, sir.
My
Yes,
E
sir.
is typed. So it's having okay, please give that. It is asking to give the chocolate. Fine. Suppose I'm running again. I'm running the program again. Suppose the shopkeeper said no. So what it will tell? It's okay, bye. Have you
It's
got
okay.
it?
Bye.
Correct? No? Have you got it? Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
This is the thing.
Yes, sir.
If the condition is false, another statement we want to execute. That we have to mention in the else part. The two parts are the if part, else part. If part is called as true part. True. Okay. Suppose the false part, else part is called as false part. Whenever the condition is fails, the condition is false, then the else part will execute. Have you got this one? Have you understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the simple if statement and else statement. Okay. Shall we write another program?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm just writing there. I'm making it's a comment line. Triple quote. I'm just giving it's a comment line. Okay. So now I'm just typing the different one. Okay. Now let me write the. We will write the program to check. the number is odd number or even number. Okay, the same program, the concept is same. So how to check it, we already discussed. We have to get a number from the user. The program want to find what? The entered number is odd number or even number. Shall we do the program? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First we need, I want to display the message odd or even number finder. That I want to display. How to display the message? Can anyone say how to display the message? Odd or even number finder. Program name is. I want to display that message. How to display? How to display a message? It's a very simple question I'm asking. You people are not answering. How to display that message? Hello? Which statement is used to display a message? Display means what? Okay,
Print out.
Print.
very good. Print a message. So can you say the statement? Can you say that? What I have to type? Can you say that? Hello? First, what I want to type? I want to print the message. How to print it?
Print off.
Very good. Print off. The new boy who have joined has said, but about very shame about the people who have starting onwards you are attending. You are not at all opening. Yes, Velavan, continue. Good. Print. If I want to display a message means whether I have to given in a quote or not. Within the quote, I
Yes,
have,
sir.
yeah. So shall I use double quote or single quote? Okay, I am just suppose I am using the double quote. What message I want to print? And just suppose print odd or even number finder. This is the program. Okay, so I'm just closing the quote and close this message also. Okay, now it will be get printed. It will be whenever I'm executing the program, that message will be get print. Okay, first thing. And second thing, we need to get the number. No, for checking a number, we need to get the number from user. Now, how to get a number from the user? Remaining people, just open up your mouth and tell the answer. So how to get an integer number from the user? I already asked the same question. From that, I can easily access you, whether you have attended that question or not. If you be quiet means it clearly shows you didn't attend the question, you don't know anything. You didn't learn anything. That's what the real thing. If you are answering means, okay, you learned it. That from that, I can easily understand it.
Int of input of.
We need one variable, no, in order to store the value which we are receiving. Am I right?
A equal to int of input of.
N equal to int of, yeah. Yes, Akshay, tell that. Int of
Input of.
input of, I have to pass the message, no? Enter the number I want to pass, no? So if you want to pass the
Enter.
whether quote or
Enter
quote or without quote, my question is.
codes. Double quote.
Quote, C-O-U-T-E, quote, okay. Okay, within the double quote or single quote, I can give what? Enter the number. Have you got it? So the number will be the number will be get entered. I close the double quote. I close the one bracket. Whether I have to close one bracket or two brackets. I open how many brackets? The parenthesis I'm asking. Two.
Two.
Two
I
brackets.
have to close the thing. So now we got the number. The number will be stored at where? The variable n. Am I right? Then n is storing the value which we entered. Okay. Suppose we need to check the number whether it is odd or even. How we can check? What is the condition we can give? Odd number means what? Even number means what? That we already discussed this concept. Very simple concept. A number which is divided by 2, it is divisible by 2. Any number that is divisible by 2, that remainder is equal to 0 means, then that number is what? Even number, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I am giving
Yes,
144.
sir.
Okay, 144. Is it whether the number 144 completely divided by 2? Is it divisible by 2? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what will be the remainder? 140.
0.
0.
0. Then it is a even number. Suppose 145. Whether it is completely divisible by 2?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
No, we will get
No,
remainder
sir.
1. So that is odd number. Shall we take that concept? That is a concept, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are giving the condition. If a number, what is the number? Where we stored the number? Here, where we stored the number? N. So n. So whether we have to divide or in order to get the remainder, what division we have to do? If you are doing normal division, we are getting quotient as a result. If you want to get the remainder, means which division we have to do? Normal division, floor division, or what division we have to do? So it clearly shows you are not touched your book. You are pretending in front of your parents also too. That's clear. This is a very basic question. You didn't answer means what it means. Which division yeah, Rajesh. Which division we have to do? Normal division, if yeah, for example, any number I am dividing, okay, 10 divided by what is the answer I will get, Rajesh? What is the number I will get? 10 divided division by 2 means 5 only I got, no? Am I right? So from that, how will you justify whether it is even number or not? If any number is divided by 5, if I mean if we get the answer 5, that's all. It's a even number or odd number. Shall we say like that? Is it possible? Hello, start to think. Computer subject is not easy. I'm not threatening you. It will be very tough. It is not like that. It is very easy, but you have to start the minimum sense. You have to use minimum thinking capacity. You have to do. Then only you can do the program. If you're not at all thinking, means see. I'll always like the Steve Jobs. You know who's Steve Jobs? Apple Inc. company. One of the founder of the Apple. You know, he always say that, okay, learn program very quickly because it will tells you how to think. Because people, the humans have to have the capacity, thinking capacity. That's we are having the sixth sense. Remaining sense and all normal. Even so, animals also having the five sense only. We are having the special sense that is called what? Thinking. We can think the past, we can predict the future. We may think that if I spoke like that, what will happen? If I do like that, what will happen? Like this, we are thinking it. We are thinking to it. But based on the previous experience or without experience in the strange situation, also we are thinking, no. So that's only the having we human people are having. So the Steve Wow, what said, not Steve Wow, it's Steve Jobs. I'm so sorry. Okay, so the Steve Jobs said the code. That is what the start to think, start to program. Not to he didn't say start to think. He said that start to learn a programming language quickly because that will make you to think better. It's not starting. It will not teach you how to think. It will tell what he said. It will tell. It will tell you, or it will make you to think better. How to think in better way. That's what the meaning. Kural Valavan, why you are not attending properly? You are coming the second half only, no, isn't it? I didn't see you at the first session. Kural Valavan, I'm talking to you. If you're not answering means I will not. I will just as it is mentioned as absent, it will be absent only. Okay, can you tell that? Modular division, one concept we have seen. We have seen. I have taught you many times. I have discussed that. If you that was the evidence I'm having already. I have taught many times to you, but you people are not properly listen means that will the thing. People are just for physically you are appearing for the class. I think so because of your parents' sake. Is it? But if people are not answering, no. For that case, I'm asking it. So if n number, it should be divided by what? It should be divided with what? Number 2, isn't it? If it is n modulo division, what will return? It will give the remainder. Hello, you people are here or not? Did you
Yes,
answer?
sir.
You will also
Yes, sir.
rest, no? Why I want to continuously talk to the people who are all not responsive. Huh? So you can see if n modulo division by 2, then what will return? It will return the remainder only. The remainder equal to 0. If it is equal to 0 means, then what type of number that number is?
Even.
Even number. So how to ends the compound statement? The compound statement ends with what?
Colon.
Colon. Very good. Colon. Then enter. I have to give four spaces. The four spaces given. Okay. Then we have to print. What is the thing? The entered number is, or you entered
Even.
number. Likewise, we can give a message. No, correct. So you entered number is a an even number, right? So shall we message display this message? Fine. Correct, no? Suppose if they are not entering the even number, if it is the remainder is not equal to 0, then what will the number will be what ultimately? Odd number. Correct, no? So what we have to use? False part means which what the keyword we have to use to describe the false part?
Else.
So come to the original question, else, then colon. Okay, colon, then we have to print the same thing. That is print you entered. What is the thing? Entered number is that. This statement also not said, no, you will not say, no. Hello.
Number is an odd number.
Hmm. Entered number is odd number. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, that will be fine. So shall we save this program? Shall I execute this program? Now I am executing. It's asking that odd or even number finder. Number finder is asking. Suppose, can you say any one number?
7, sir.
7. So I'm just entering 7. It's telling you entered number is odd number. Okay. I'm just running this program again. Can you say any one number?
10.
Okay.
18, sir.
Okay, 18. I'm just giving 18. So the enter number is even number. Have you got it? Just a 3 line only. We made a program, whatever number. I'm just running for that. Okay. I'm just giving all the numbers like this. Okay. So it's telling it's odd number. Have you got it? So the number is divisible by 2. So it will divide that number, that will give the reminder. Okay. So this was the thing. Have you understand this one? Have you understood this program?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So just look out to this program. This was the line we have thought, we have discussed. Okay. I hope this program will give a clarity for if condition alone and if else also. Okay. That we have to practice more program. Okay. We have to practice little bit program to find eligible for voter. Okay. What is the eligibility for voting to cast your vote? What is the eligibility condition?
18 years old.
Age should be 18 years, no? So we have to, instead of the number, you have to write one program today just to get the age from the user. If the given age is greater than or equal to 18 means you are eligible to poll your vote or cast your vote. Okay, suppose if it is the number, the age is entered age is less than 18 means you are not eligible to poll your vote. Likewise, you want to print a message, can you do the program and send the screenshot today?
Yes,
Will you?
sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
I have till the points. You have to practice like this more programs. Okay, I'm expecting more screenshots from all the people. Okay, students, very nice time with you. Tomorrow also class is there regularly by 3:15. Okay, 15 minutes will be follow because I have already, many people are just little classes happening because 2 to 3 I have 12th standard. After that we have, as you seen, no, you have a already sometimes you may come that if this class is goes for them means it will be a disturbance, isn't it? So that's what tomorrow onward the class will be 3:15, 15, not 50 pa. Okay, 3:15. I will schedule the meeting. Don't worry. The time alone I am saying that. Okay, 3:15, 15 to 4:15. This one same thing. Okay, remaining we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.